Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable two-step verifications or two-factor authentications or verifications on your TikTok account. Enabling two-step verifications on TikTok is an essential step in securing your account and protecting your personal informations, and add an extra layer of security by requiring both your password and verifications code sent to your phone that only you can access your account. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your TikTok account and then click and then select the profile button at the bottom right and then click, and then on top right corner then you need to select this three line, and then again you need to select settings and privacy. So here at settings and privacy, and then you need to select security and permissions and then click. So here at security and permissions, and then you need to select two-step verifications. All right. So you can see here that this step verifications is not yet turned on. So we need to enable this verifications for securing our account. And then we need to click. And you can see now this two-step verification is off. So turning this on will require an additional verification code when you log in from an untrusted device. So select at least two methods. So either phone, email, authenticator, or password, you can select at least two methods. So we need to select this phone number and then email address. And the next step, then you can see now at the bottom, this turn on and then click. And then add to trusted device, and then this is my device Samsung, and then click add. All right, so step two verifications turn on. All right, so you can see now that verifications is turned on. So verification method, this phone number is turned on and the email address is turned on. All right, so that's it guys. So very simple on how to turn on these two-step verifications on TikTok. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.